You are so fast. We are going to fly now.
Where are we going now?
We are going to a new place.
Wow, the sky is so beautiful. But, I feel hungry.
Let me find, is there any food? I think here you can get some food.
Wow, so many bananas. Banana banana, yellow yellow banana.
First jump. No banana. Second jump. No banana. Third jump. Yes, banana. Do you want to count how many bananas I eat? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. I ate 3 bananas now.
Why are you so bigger than me?
I eat more food.
You don't have hands. How do you take food?
You want to see my hands? Look here.
Wow, so many hands. You also have so many leaves. Why?
I need to interact with my friend.
Your friend?
There he is.
Son?
Yes, he wakes me up in the morning and helps me to prepare my food.
But, I have taken your food.
It's okay, I'm happy to give you.
What can I do for you? Do you drink water?
Of course, I do. Thank you.
I love you, boss.
Do you love me? Why?
You are good.
I too love you. You brought me to a good place.